You're not broke because of money, right? Everyone thinks that if you're broke, it's because you have no money. This is a big lie, right? You're actually broke because of your mindset. Now, I'm going to explore this in this video as to why having a broke mindset is far more worse than actually being broke, okay? Now, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I quit my 9-to-5 job, moved to Dubai, and now I make well over 6 figures a year, and life is absolutely amazing, right? And I want to talk about in this video why actually having no money doesn't mean you're broke. What actually means that you're broke is your mindset, right? Now, I've spoken to so many people who have money, for example, but they just have such a broke mindset, right? And the money that they have is accumulated through the 9-to-5 job, right? And it's money that they've hidden away in savings. And I wouldn't even say that they have money. Maybe they have a little bit of money stacked away in savings, right? But these people, in my opinion, are broke just because of their mindset, right? And there are other people that literally have no money. I would not call them broke, right? Because their mindset is abundance. Their mindset is, I want to make more money. Their mindset is, I don't want to work a 9-to-5 job. I want to escape the system and make even more money for myself, right? And they're working on something as well. For example, they're working on online business, or they're working on a business, or they're doing something, right? These people, I don't consider them broke, okay? Because their mindset is, I want to become rich. Their mindset is, I want to spend more money to make more money, right? Now, majority of the people in the world, they don't have money and they're mentally broke, right? Because look, at the end of the day, you guys have been brainwashed to believe that the only way to make money is through a 9-to-5 job. And unfortunately, so many people believe this. So many people are scared to spend money. So many people are scared to try an online business when, to be honest, there is no risk, right? If you try an online business, the worst case scenario is you go back to your current reality, which is working for someone else, right? Now, I have my own online coaching business, which I've been working on for the last 2 years. I help people start their own online business where they can sell their skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? And you guys can literally easily scale to 10K a month. Now, if you do want help, or I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, okay? But guys, what I want to talk about is that just because you have no money, that doesn't mean you're broke, okay? Because I know so many people with no money, but they are working towards something. And trust me, in the long run, they're gonna have a lot of money. They're not gonna be considered broke in, I guess you can say, society standards, where it basically means that you don't have money, right? They're going to become rich. They're going to become successful. There are people that have a little bit of money, maybe 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand saved. They're broke, in my opinion, just because of their mindset. Because why are you holding on to 10 grand, 20 grand, 30 grand? Why are you holding on to that money? You should be using that money to make more money. You should be using that money to kind of spend, invest in different things. Don't hold on to it, because that is a scarcity mindset, right? Money is currency. You've got to understand one thing. Why do they call money currency? Because it's like a current, right? And if you stop it and if you hold on to a current, you're blocking it, which means you're not going to get money back to you. However, if you start spending money, right, putting more money in circulation, guess what? You're putting the energy out there, which means more money is going to come back to you. Guys, a lot of people don't understand this about money. Money is energy, right? How you use money is how more money is going to come back to you, or how no money is going to come to you, right? It's literally as simple as that. Now, a lot of you guys, I will say, have a broke mindset because you're not trying anything. You're sitting there, you hate your 9-to-5 job, you live for the weekends, you play video games, you watch Netflix. Like, what are you doing with your life? It's a broke mindset if you're not working towards something. And having a broke mindset doesn't just mean that you've got no money. Trust me, as I said already, a broke mindset is someone that is not trying anything, that is not trying to become rich, is not trying to become successful. They're happy in their 9-to-5 job, and they're happy earning a salary while giving their time to someone else, right? That is a broke mindset. But if you're willing to start making money, if you're willing to try, and if you're willing to escape the system so you can actually make money for yourself and make money online, which is basically the best thing you guys can do in today's day and age, then you're not broke, right? And guys, there's a reason why I have my coaching program. There's a reason why I've invested in so much coaching as well. Because guys, it flipping works, right? I invested in a mentor myself, right? And within the first month of investing in a mentor, I made 10 grand. Now, obviously that is, I guess you can call it a anomaly, right? Because it doesn't normally happen. And I wouldn't say for you guys to expect that. But the fact that I was able to do that just shows it's possible, right? And okay, you might not make money in the first month or the second month, but third month you will, fourth month you will. Because you have to understand, you're being taught how to make money. You're being taught how to actually do something. And if it's working for me, if it's working for a bunch of my other clients, some of them as young as 16, 17, why would it not work for you, right? And it's literally as simple as that. Now guys, as I said, I have my own online coaching business, right? So if you do want help, one-to-one help, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on the call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. But guys, don't have this broke mindset. Don't be broke, right? And again, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about your mindset. Don't be broke. Have an abundance mindset. Spend money for the sake of making money, right? Work on something. Don't just work your 9-to-5 job. Don't be comfortable. This is how the government, this is how the system wants you to be. They want you to be comfortable. They want you to work for someone else so you don't work on your own dreams, right? They want you to work on someone else's dreams, not on your own dreams. It's only the few people that escape the system and start making money for themselves and then hire people like you to work for them, right? You guys have to understand that, yes, of course, I'm making this video for the few selective. I know not everyone's going to escape the system, but the few people that watch this video and get inspired to take action, that's the people who I want to change their lives, right? And honestly, guys, it is so easy to make money online. Don't listen to anyone else. Don't trust what the media say. Don't trust what people say, right? If people tell you it's hard to make money online and you should work a 9-to-5 job, look at what they're doing. If they're doing exactly that, then don't listen to them. But I'm telling you from someone that's making money online, right? You don't need to be super intelligent because there are stupid people out there making money. Trust me, it's crazy. You don't need to have a degree or anything like that. Yeah, of course, I have a degree, but I don't use my degree any shape or form, right, for what I do. 3, right? It is easy to make money because I'm doing it for myself and I've got so many testimonials with clients as young as 16. You guys tell me if a 16-year-old can do it, why can't you? You know, it's literally so simple. So any of you guys watching this video, you can start an online business, you can start making money, and the best business model, by the way, that you guys should be doing is called the One Skill Consulting business model. That's essentially what I help my clients with. That's essentially what I can help you with. Again, you can click the link in the description, book in a call, check out my testimonials before you do so you know I'm legit. Check out my story, right, which will be in the description as well. It'll kind of tell you my life story and how I've kind of ended up in the position I am today. But yeah, you can check that out. Guys, it is so easy to make money in today's day and age. We're in 2026. The internet has made so many multi-millionaires, right? It's absolutely crazy, the power of the internet. And yeah, you guys can literally go from having a broke mindset to an abundance mindset. And when you do that, your pockets will start showing that, right? Your bank account will start showing that. Your life will start showing that, because your life is a reflection of your thoughts. Your life is a reflection of the things that you think, right? If you think that you're broke, if you think that you can't make money, if you think that, you know, there's no point starting an online business because it's not going to work for you, guess what? It's not going to work for you. But if you have the opposite mindset where you know it's going to work for you, where you can change your life, where you can make lots of money, right? And you believe it's all possible, guess what? It's going to happen. It's as simple as that. So, as I said, guys, click the link in the description if you want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, or alternatively, if you want to know how the One Skill Consulting business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.